When I moved here from Florida and decided I wanted to go to Auburn University, I knew I had to find a way to pay for school. I heard about the Student Firefighter Program, which would allow me to have tuition paid for, support myself, and give back to the community. I knew I had to apply.
I was originally interested in the student program because my instructor told me there was a job opportunity that could give me a place to live, pay for 6 years of college, and pay me while doing it.
I wanted to find a job that was reliable and rewarding while I obtained my college degree, and the student program offered that for me.
The program offers so many benefits, it's hard to name them all. You're able to work while you put yourself through school, which is an accomplishment on its own. I ended up loving the field so much, I chose it as a career.
The knowledge and skills that I obtained from Auburn allowed me to pursue my lifelong career as a flight nurse and flight paramedic here at Lifesaver Helicopter, and I have now been doing this for 20 years.
One of the biggest benefits I got was the connections that I could just use the rest of my life and the friendships that I have.
I would tell anybody who is interested in a fun, reliable, and rewarding experience, then the student program is something you should look into.
College isn't cheap, but the City of Auburn makes it cheaper.
If you're interested in the program, you should do it. You're able to graduate debt-free, give back to the community on a daily basis, and gain valuable experience that you'll take no matter what career path you choose.